Hello everyone, another day, another mini vlog and sharing with you my lazy afternoon with this Starbucks Mousse Caramel Latte. It is a flavored coffee with natural flavor. So let's open it and there you go, the Vertuo Pop capsule, and this is the only capsule that fit in my Nespresso machine. And caramel flavored coffee as a caramel macchiato girly lover. Ayan. So, it's already 230 ml na yan, guys. So, yan, pakita ko din yung kasama sa Nespresso machine ko. The Altisio Decaffeinato. Ayan. And the other one is the Espresso Volteso. Ayan, black coffee lang yun siya, guys. And this Starbucks matcha latte, this is really a must try. So, let's cover it up and lock it. So, ayan. So, ayan. Pipress ko lang din muna siya dyan. So, ayan. Press na natin para mag-set yung machine, para makapag-prepare yung machine. Ganon ang ginagawa ko, guys. Although, wala namang sinabi sa manual na ganon. So, ayan yung water tank niya and may Starbucks tumbler on the side. So, bago talaga siya mag-brew is matagal talaga, mga 2 minutes. So, showing you my frother from Nescafe. Yes, from Nescafe. I think 4 years ago nila binigay sa akin yan. And this is the mug of my daughter. Her favorite character, Kuromi of Sanrio. So, yan. Wait lang natin para mag-brew. Ayan. Para painitin siguro yung water. So, there you go. It started to brew. And, for a while is magpo-pour na siya. So, ayan. Nagpo-pour na siya. Ayan. Naamoy ko na yung aroma ng caramel coffee. 230 ml to, guys. Kaya, talagang masasatisfied ka na dyan. So, after this, makikita mo talaga na latte talaga siya. I can't resist the aroma. Ang sarap, guys. Very relaxing yung amoy. As a coffee lover, amoy na lang ng kape yung nakakapagpa-relax sa atin. Char! So, ayan. Unti-unti na siyang nagkakaroon na parang latte sa ibabaw. Yung mga bubbles na ganyan. So, diba, we don't need already the frother kasi nagiging ganyan na siya after. So, nag-add lang din ako ng oat milk ng oat side. So, hindi ko na ipakita sa video, guys. So, ayan. So, let's have coffee na, guys. And there you go. Yan. Satisfied na naman ang cravings natin. So, ayun lang, guys. Thank you. Salamat sa panonood.